Joining us now to tell us what it all means, Laurie Garrett, Pulitzer Prize-winning journalist and columnist for Foreign Policy, and Mara Gay, New York Times editorial board member, both, lucky for us, MSNBC contributors. First, Laurie, I'm out of words for these numbers. And as you know, we do obituaries every day. Every person that dies is blowing up a family, a community, a school, a nursing home, the community in which they live. And we are now looking at these numbers and shrugging people online to get into bars and eating indoors at restaurants and still ignoring mask mandates. Where are we?
Well, Nicole, it's grim. Your tone of your question correctly mirrors the situation we're in. About 40% of Americans say they plan to go have a feast on Thanksgiving with 10 or more other people. And it's just astounding that the highest rates of per capita of COVID are in counties that voted solidly for Donald Trump. It's overwhelming, a sense that a very significant percentage of our population is kind of in a mass state of denial, doesn't really want to accept the news about this terrible epidemic. Indeed, one young nurse was posting today on Twitter that her patients actually curse at her and yell at her. There's no such disease. This is all a hoax. She's working in South Dakota. I think we're in a really dire situation here with a president that is exiting and continues to downplay the significance of the epidemic, though claiming credit for today's vaccine announcements. And the public at large is just not getting it.
You know, you've written about the coming plague. You've studied other countries' reaction this year to this pandemic. Is there any other variable to just how sick we're becoming in terms of infections and flouting the few things we can do, wear masks and social distance and not gather indoors?
Well, of course, other countries also have surges. Other countries have also seen a segment of their population resist wearing masks or protest against social distancing efforts by their governments, but nothing compares to the United States, not even close. And it's in large part because the biggest denier is the president of the United States himself and his White House leadership. And so, you know, the average person that's tired of being in lockdown, tired of not going to their favorite bar, tired of not eating out, can say, well, the president says ... and off you go to the bar, off you go to eat out, off you go to invite 40 people over for a little party among friends. And there's just no other country where the president or the leader of the nation is in such a absolutely profound state of denial.
Hey there, I'm Chris Hayes from MSNBC. Thanks for watching MSNBC on YouTube. If you want to keep up to date with the videos we're putting out, you can click subscribe just below me or click over on this list to see lots of other great videos.